Hi, my name is Gitakrishnan Ramadurai. I'm a professor in the Department of Data Science and AI, which is part of the Wadhwani School of Data Science and AI. My specialization is in applying AI ML optimization techniques for transportation engineering. I look at building safe and sustainable transport systems. From the beginning, my work has always been data related, data intensive. And prior to the Wadhwani School of Data Science and AI, we had the Robert Bosch Center of Data Science and AI, of which I was a part of. And the kind of incredible work we were able to do there, interdisciplinary work we were able to do there, motivated me to join the Wadhwani School. So AI today is impacting just about every field we know, whether it be mobility, which is what I work in, or healthcare, or if you look at the day-to-day life, everybody uses ChatGPT. So I think we are at crossroads. AI will transform all industries and we all need to work towards this transformation. So this opportunity that we have here is what excites me the most. And of course, the interdisciplinary faculty, the quality of students that we get here is amazing. So working with them gives me a lot of satisfaction. There are multiple projects that we work here. For example, at present we are doing a project in Bangalore where we've taken two corridors, the Airport Road corridor and the Old Madras Road corridor, which is two of the most dangerous roads in Bangalore in terms of the number of accidents that happen here, which is typically over 20%. So we want to make those two roads safe. So we've deployed several AI cameras. This is in collaboration with the Bangalore Traffic Police, NHAI, and the project itself is funded by Mercedes-Benz CSR project. So we have deployed AI cameras, which is able to detect if people are violating certain rules, warn them if they are not driving properly. We're also doing some implementations in terms of road markings, so that people are able to drive in a more safe way. And eventually all of these will result in lives being saved on the road, which is the ultimate objective. That's one exciting project we are working on right now. So one of the applications of AI that I spoke about is improving road safety. Over here what we've done is we have a camera that's installed and we have an edge device. So the edge device processes the traffic that you see, and we are in the IITM campus where speed restrictions are very severe, strict. If anybody speeds, then automatically the device captures that information and sends a challan, an email saying this person was speeding on Alumni Avenue. So that's an application that we've developed. So AI, like I mentioned, is at a crossroad right now. It is impacting just about every industry we know of, and same as with mobility. So we are talking about autonomous vehicles, we are talking about drones delivering, we're talking about robots doing a lot of daily activities for humans. So all of this is something that is going to change how we move around, how we live our lives over the next 2 to 3 decades. So I believe it's an exciting time to be part of AI, but also there is a lot of hype about AI. We need to be measured in terms of what will be achievable, what will be successful when it comes to AI. For example, we have here at IIT Madras the AI Center for Responsible AI. So this Center for Responsible AI looks at ethical questions, equity questions, fairness questions when it comes to AI. So while we develop these solutions, we also need to be mindful of these very important aspects so that AI is benefiting everyone. It's not only benefiting a few select population. At the Mint Collaborative, we look at solving mobility problems for the entire nation. So we look at problems at the city scale, at the state scale, nation scale as well. The problems are there for all of us when it comes to mobility, be it condition, safety. The digital solutions we create at Mint will help solve the problems for 1 billion people. So our goal is mobility dreams for 1 billion. So for students who are looking at AI as a career, so AI is going to be everywhere, right? Fundamental AI is definitely something that you can work on. But when you marry AI with domain knowledge, then new solutions come up, impact is much larger. So no matter which domain you're in, you can always pick up AI skills which will help you complement what you're doing in your domain. And the same way, those who are doing core AI should also look at a few application areas, domain areas that they want to apply their technology in. It is when AI joins with these domain knowledge, we will really start building cutting edge solutions. And I believe India should take the lead in this core technology because it's evolving right now. GoodMove works in the space of city logistics, and we use AI modeling techniques to make city logistics more sustainable. So here we are at the IITM Madras Research Park where GoodMove is incubated. And my day also involves meeting the team here at GoodMove. I have here Subhi, who is co-founder of GoodMove, and Ram, who is the president of operations. And we discuss strategic planning for the startup and how we need to execute our operations. So it's very important that the research we do at IIT Madras translates to practice. And startups are one mode for us to take what we do in the research lab to practice in the field and create impact.